Hi guys and welcome to this video. Well, I thought it might be useful to go over some questions and some facts about the new DJI Mic 2 that's included as part of the Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So I thought it'd be useful to actually have a video dedicated to the Mic 2 just to answer some questions you may already have about it. So I'm going to start off with the most obvious basic questions first, then go up to some more advanced questions like what is this new 32-bit record mode. So the first question is, does the DJI Pocket 2 wireless mic work with the Pocket 3? Unfortunately, it does not. So the second question is, how do you connect the DJI Mic 2 with the Pocket 3? So the Pocket 3 has a built-in receiver already paired with the DJI Mic 2. So what you need to do is just simply power on the Pocket 2 and also power on the Mic 2, of course, and in a moment it should just connect itself. If it doesn't, you need to swipe down from the top to access the settings, click on the icon at the bottom right, then go to wireless mics. Tap on the TX1, then hold down the link button on the mic until it connects. Tap and then speak onto the mic to verify that it's working, and you should notice a green bar should appear to indicate the level.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Can you monitor the audio of the recording on the Pocket 3? Yes, you can. So you just need to plug in some USB-C headphones into the USB port on the Pocket 3, and you should then be able to monitor the audio as the camera hears it. If you don't have a USB-C headphone, you can plug in a normal headphone with a 3.5mm plug using adapters such as this to allow it to be plugged into the Pocket 3. You can also set the level of the monitoring so it doesn't blow your ears out by swiping down to access the settings. Click on the cog at the bottom right, go to the wireless mics, then click on monitoring, and then set the level to a comfortable volume. The next question is, how do you actually change the mic gain of the DJI Mic 2? So to do this, you need to swipe right on the main screen to access the recording settings. Tap on the microphone transmitter icon. You should see the transmitter 1 gain, click on this and then set the gain level as appropriate, so from -12 up to +12. Now this can be useful if the microphone is picking up too much noise, or perhaps it's not sensitive enough, or perhaps it's even too sensitive. By monitoring the audio using the headphones is going to give you an idea of which gain levels to set. Next, does the DJI Mic 2 have onboard recording? It does actually, in fact, and that's one of the new features that's included on the DJI Mic 2. So it currently has 8GB of storage, so you can store around 14 hours of audio. To enable the recording on the DJI Mic, you need to press the red button and then until it starts flashing. This is going to indicate the audio is recording on using the onboard storage. So even if the Pocket 3 is not switched on, then or connected, then this mic can effectively act as a portable external recorder. To me at least, this is a game changer, as to use it as an ability as an audio recorder is, I think, absolutely brilliant. So when it's connected to the Pocket 3, you need to swipe down from the top, click on the icon on the bottom right, go to the wireless mic and then ensure to enable video sync. Now I suggest leaving this on by default. This means the Mic 2 is going to record a backup of the audio to its onboard storage as well as recording on the Pocket 3. To access the recordings, simply plug in a USB-C cable into the mic and then plug that into the computer, and it's going to come up as a normal drive. Now the DJI Mic 2 can also be used as a remote control for the Pocket 3. So the Mic 2 has the ability to start and stop the recording of the Pocket 3 once it's connected. To do that, all you need to do is just simply, press the link button to start the recording and then press it again to stop the recording. Now if you're in photo mode, it's going to trigger the shutter to take a photo. So this could be useful, for example, on a low light photo on a tripod, or for example if you want to do a selfie shot. The other button worth mentioning toggles the noise reduction feature of the Mic 2. If we swipe to the right, then we see the mic icon, and then by pressing this button here, we're going to trigger the noise reduction on and off. So the Mic 2 has a low cut filter, which is handy for cutting out low frequencies like rumble. Now again, let's go to the settings, then click on the cog on the bottom right, then go to wireless mics and then switch on the low cut filter. Now, one of the new features of the Mic 2 is the ability for it to have 32-bit float. Now, this is a pro level setting which records a wider dynamic range for the recording. Now, what this means is, well, think of it as perhaps having a recording as a raw video or log, but it's going to be much more information recording to allow for messing around in post-production. For the average content creator, it's probably not a big deal, but for those audio professionals, it's a game changer. Now, I'm going to be doing a video about this feature in more detail at some point, so let me know in the comments if this is of interest. Now, you also get the ability to connect 3.5mm microphones to the DJI Mic 2. So you can basically connect any microphone with the 3.5 connector to the socket at the top of the mic here. So this could be, for example, a lav mic that I have here, or it could be something like a boom mic or anything like that. Now, I prefer to plug in my Rode lav mic to the DJI mic directly and then put the transmitter into my pocket so the mic becomes a little bit more discreet. You can also use two DJI Mic 2 transmitters with the Pocket 3. So yes, it does actually support two transmitters. So the process of pairing the second one is exactly the same as the first, i.e. you need to swipe from the top, go to the click gear icon, then go to wireless mics, then click on the second mic and then press and hold the link button on the second mic. So the only problem is that the DJI Mic 2 is currently not available for purchase outside the Creator Combo. So I assume that at some point the DJI Mic 2 will become available separately in the future. Now, the Mic 2 can be paired with an iPhone as a Bluetooth mic. Now, I've managed to successfully pair it with an iPhone 15, but also an old iPhone 8. So this opens up a number of opportunities to record good quality audio for vlogging with the phone. Now, I've actually got a separate video on that, so I'm going to post a link to it up in the description. So anyway guys, so there is the essential things to know about the new DJI Mic 2. If you have any further questions, of course, let me know in the comments, and I'm going to try and find out the answer for you, or maybe do an experiment. So I hope this information has been useful. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. And of course, check out any of the other videos on my stream in case of some interest and use to you. Best wishes, and I shall see you soon on another video.